Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a movie casting. So it's from Back to the Future, based on the DMC Delorean. It's their time machine, especially in the hover mode. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So this one comes with a lot of good details on it, and we're gonna look at it. First of all, the paint job looks really cool. It doesn't look a lot flaky like some of the DMC's DeLoreans. Looks really good, and as it's in hover mode, so that's why you can see the wheels are turned down. In the movie they kind of flies when the wheels are down. Up front you got detailed grille, DMC badge, this black and gray bumper. You also got these, I think these look like wires, so for all the equipments in the car, and it's on both on front and rear wheel arches. You can also see there's a lot of equipment inside, so they didn't just put a DMC Delorean casting and flip the wheels. They actually made a different interior and everything for this casting, which is really cool. As you can see, there's more wires running on the side. I also like this black trim. The button for the door looks cool, good details. Coming to the back, even back you can see there's a lot of equipment from the movie, like the car they made in the movie. So you can see all that, which again is a nice detail. Didn't skip on that. A lot of fires and other stuff. I'm not very familiar with the movie, so I don't know all the details about it, but it's nice. They had detailed tail lamps here, which looks good. It actually looks really cool from the back. Very nice. And this is the driver's side. Looks kind of identical from the passenger side. Yeah, almost kind of same. But if you look closely, see, you can see the equipment inside too. There's a lot of equipment there. This is how it looks from the bottom. Again, some details here. And if I turn it around, you can see it's from 2015 and Universal Studios, and you have obviously licensed from them. So overall, I think it's a really cool looking casting. It's always nice when they do a movie car which is based on an actual car. Looks cool, and always that, that extra bit of fun, extra bit of coolness to the casting. Should you get one? Of course, if you find one, go for it. It's a really cool one. Well, that's all for the day. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.